Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. I'm Engineer Qamar Hayat, a civil engineer, is poised to launch a new YouTube channel dedicated to sharing knowledge, videos, and posts related to civil engineering and project management. This channel aims to be a valuable resource for students, aspiring engineers, seasoned professionals alike, offering insights into various facets of the field. Content will likely cover fundamental engineering principles, advanced construction techniques, project planning and execution strategies, and discussions on industry best practices. Given the dynamic nature of civil engineering, topics such as sustainable infrastructure development, smart city initiatives, and integrations of cutting-edge technologies like building information modeling, BIM, and artificial intelligence in construction are expected to be explored. The channel will serve as a platform for continuous learning and professional development within the civil engineering community. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel.